In today's video, we're taking you on a mouth-watering journey through the Caribbean. Get ready to satisfy your cravings as we unveil 10 of the most popular, tantalizing, and delicious Caribbean street foods you absolutely must try when visiting these stunning island destinations. Whether you're a foodie looking to indulge in the local flavors or a traveler seeking an authentic culinary experience, this video has got you covered. We've scoured the Caribbean islands to bring you a hand-picked selection of street foods that will make your taste buds dance with joy. From delectable treats like spicy beef patties in Jamaica and refreshing coconut water straight from the source of fish cakes in Barbados, or savory doubles bursting with flavor in Trinidad and Tobago, to Alcapurrias in Puerto Rico, we're highlighting the best of the best. Prepare to be amazed by the explosion of flavors, the enticing aromas, and the vibrant street food culture that these Caribbean destinations have to offer. These culinary delights will transport you to the heart of the Caribbean with every bite. Whether you're strolling through the bustling markets of Nassau, savoring savory bites in Havana, or exploring the lively streets of Bridgetown, one thing is for sure: the Caribbean knows how to do street food right. The flavors of East Indian spices mixed with local meat and seafood, endemic fruits and vegetables, and unique cooking techniques make the Caribbean culinary experience one to remember, and definitely one that has no comparison over the globe. For people living in the Caribbean, food is an experience and not just the answer to a basic need. Caribbean food is cooked with love and follows specific steps that have passed on to us the expertise of generations. Eating Caribbean food while vacationing here is a must, and we recommend tourists leave the comfort and watered-down food of the all-inclusive resorts at least once during your holiday to experience the real Caribbean street food sold by authentic Caribbean street vendors. Follow the locals and indulge in tasteful, mouth-watering options that will leave you absolutely speechless. So, get your appetite ready as we count down the top 10 Caribbean street foods that are sure to make your taste buds tingle with delight. Make sure to stick around until the end, as we've got a bonus surprise that you won't want to miss. But before we dive into the gastronomic wonders of the Caribbean, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on our latest Caribbean adventures. So, without further ado, let's embark on this delicious journey through the Caribbean's most tantalizing street foods. Get ready to drool, because this is a culinary experience you won't want to miss. Our first stop takes us to the enchanting shores of Haiti. Are you ready to feast your eyes and indulge your taste buds? Let's go. Number 10. Haiti Griot. The top street food in Haiti is griot, called griot in Creole, a dish consisting of pork shoulder marinated in citrus, braised, and then fried. Typical party food, the griot is considered by some to be Haiti's national dish. It is normally served with j-irie rouge, rice, and red beans, or banana peas, fried plantain slices similar to the tostones that you can find in Puerto Rico, Cuba, Honduras, and Venezuela, and pickles, a condiment made of pickled cabbage, bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, and carrots. Tasty and well-fulfilling. Number 9. USVI Fish and Fungi. Perhaps not as widely known as the rest of the Caribbean food, the culinary tradition of the USVI is rich and delicious. Fish and fungi is the national dish and a main staple of the islands, and its creation dates back to when the USVI were the Danish West Indies, and salt herrings and cornmeal were extremely popular. Fungi is a tender polenta-like dumpling made of thickened cornmeal and water, scoops of which are traditionally served with generous portions of fish fillets, conch, or even meat. Number 8. Cuba Churros. Looking for a sweet street food option? Cubans love their sugar and fried food, and their combination has created the world-famous churros. This fried dough made with choux pastry dough piped into hot oil with a star tip is typical of the Spanish and Portuguese cuisine and has been exported to Latin America and the Philippines, and generally wherever people from Spain and Portugal have moved to. Churros are filled with fruits such as guava and distinctively straight. You can find popular carts winding up the churrera, churro-making pipe, and serving churros in disposable paper cones for convenient consumption while on the road. Number 7. Puerto Rico, Alcapurria. While enjoying a day at the beach or a jungle hike, energize yourself with some Puerto Rican street food, which is usually delicious, fast, and deep-fried. The most popular? Definitely Alcapurrias. Simple fritters made of green plantains and yucca or taro root, stuffed with meat, but also seafood, cheese, or vegetables, and fried in hot oil. They can be purchased at any chinchorro humble roadside kiosks where you can get them steaming hot, and they belong to the family of cuchifritos, which in Spain is traditionally fried pork, but in Puerto Rico is more like anything that is fried. Number 6. Bahamas, cracked conch. Being home to one of the most biodiverse marine ecosystems in the Caribbean, it is no surprise that most dishes in the Bahamian cuisine, including street food, are based on seafood. Conch is one of our favorites, and it comes in different shapes and ways of serving in the Bahamas, such as conch fritters or the most famous cracked conch. Conch meat is pounded with a mallet until it is thin and tender. Then it is deep-fried into nuggets. Usually served with French fries and dipping sauce or vegetables, it is a must when visiting this beautiful Caribbean country. Number 5. Dominican Republic, Empanadas. In the Caribbean, there are many variations of the empanadas that belong to the Spanish heritage and come in different shapes, sizes, and recipes. In the Dominican Republic, empanadas and pastelitos are a party must and a very popular street fare. While pastelitos are round, Dominican empanadas have a distinctive half-moon shape, and they come with a variety of fillings: chicken, pork, beef, chorizo, conch, cheese, crab, vegetables, and even fruits for a sweet twist. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Thank you. Number 4. Barbados, fish cakes. Considered a traditional Bajan breakfast delicacy, fish cakes are the most popular street food in gorgeous Barbados. They are also a favorite appetizer at restaurants and finger food at cocktail parties. But for those who are willing to consume this delicious and savory meal on the go, the preferred way of enjoying fish cakes is in the typical bread and two, with the fish cake sandwiched in a salt bread with the optional addition of cheese and mustard-based pepper sauce. For the recipe and a good throwback, look for the song Fish Cakes and Bakes. Enjoy! Number 3. Turks and Caicos, conch salad. While cracked conch is a very popular street food in Turks and Caicos too, the real deal here is the world-famous ceviche conch, or conch salad, a true explosion of flavors and colors. Seafood is a main staple in the culinary offer of Turks and Caicos, and this iconic dish comes from the union of seafood and fruits and vegetables imported from the New World. The raw meat of the conch is marinated in citrus juice and becomes tender and appetizing. It is then mixed with a blend of tomatoes, cilantro, onions, and sweet peppers, possibly also avocado and pineapple, and served as a ceviche with slices of lemon or lime on the side or a squeeze of fresh orange juice. Absolutely mouth-watering. Number 2. Trinidad and Tobago, doubles. This common Trinidadian street food has Indian origins and is made with 2 barras, fried flat dough, and filled with curried chickpeas and various chutneys, Indian typical spreads, or alternative dressings including tamarind and coriander sauces, cucumber, carrots, and other vegetables. It is normally eaten during breakfast, but occasionally for lunch or as a late snack. It is the most popular hangover remedy food for Trinidadians. These delicious mini rotis are extremely popular also among vegetarians and vegans thanks to the meat-free filling, and doubles vendors come out as early as 5 a.m. all over Trinidad to serve their doubles, especially during Carnival galore. Number 1. Jamaica Patties. While jerk chicken, or anything jerk, to be fair, is possibly the most famous Jamaican food that every tourist wants to try when visiting the land of wood and water, Jamaican patties are by far the must-try street food here. Distant cousin of the Spanish and Dominican empanadas we saw earlier, the Jamaican version, sought after all over the world, is characterized by a flaky pastry of a distinctive orange color given by the use of turmeric and curry during its preparation. The fillings can vary and are well seasoned and extremely tasty, and include options such as beef, curry chicken, ackee and saltfish, cheese, lobster, or fish. It is not unusual to see Jamaicans buy a box of 12 or 24 patties before boarding a flight overseas, either as a present to friends and family living abroad, or because Jamaicans simply cannot live without their much-beloved patties for too long. For your favorite Jamaican patties, see the link in the description below for the best-tasting Jamaican patties and other Caribbean products. As promised, we have an exciting bonus segment for you. We're going to show you how to make mouth-watering Jamaican beef patties right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this Caribbean delight. To make Jamaican patties, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup unsalted butter, chilled and diced, ½ cup ice-cold water, 1 pound ground beef or your choice of filling, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 small carrot grated, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons Jamaican curry powder, ½ teaspoon thyme, ½ teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Now, let's get cooking. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt and a tablespoon of Jamaican curry powder or turmeric. Add the chilled iced butter and use your fingertips to rub it in the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Step 2. Gradually add the ice-cold water, a little at a time, and mix until the dough comes together. Knead the dough for a few minutes until it becomes smooth. Then, cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Step 3. While the dough is chilling, let's prepare the filling. In a pan over medium heat, add the vegetable oil and saute the onion, garlic, and grated carrot until softened. Add the ground beef and cook until brown, breaking it up into small pieces. Step 4. Add the thyme, paprika, salt, and pepper to the beef mixture. Stir well to combine and let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Remove from heat and let the filling cool. Step 5. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Take the chilled dough from the refrigerator and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/8 inch thickness. Use a round cutter to cut out circles of dough. Step 6. Spoon a generous amount of the cooled beef filling onto 1/2 of each dough circle. Fold the other half over the filling to create a half-moon shape. Press the edges together firmly and crimp with a fork to seal. Step 7. Place the patties on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and cook through. And there you have it. Homemade Jamaican patties straight from your kitchen. Serve them warm as a delicious snack or part of a meal. Remember, feel free to get creative with the fillings. You can try chicken, shrimp, or even vegetarian options, like spiced lentils or vegetables. We hope you enjoyed this bonus recipe. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Caribbean adventures. As you can see, there are options for anyone, whether you are a vegan, a fish lover, or more of a meat kind of guy, and even in case you have a sweet tooth. The tasty fruits, vegetables, and local products, along with spices and flavors of the Caribbean, are the common denominator to these various and versatile dishes that can be consumed during an excursion, a party, or even a lazy day at the beach. Which of these 10 Caribbean street food is your favorite? Let us know. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. J-irie Caribbean is your definitive Caribbean channel where we explore the beauty, culture, and today's challenges of the Caribbean. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on our Caribbean adventures. This is J-irie Caribbean. See you in the next video.